Diversity is inevitable for Indonesia, just as Indonesia's motto goes, Bhineka Tunggal Ika. Despite our differences, we are still a unity. Differences become the beauty and harmony of our nation. And the major task for this generation is to bequeath toleration from the early stage, as our responsibility is to build the character of Indonesia. This value has been implemented to President's School students, which is located in Jababeka City, Cikarang. Through Indonesia's cultural celebrations, President's School students are taught about tolerance, mutual respect, and appreciation while living among diversity. This Lunar New Year is the living proof. This event, which is attended by President Kindergarten and Elementary School, President Junior High, President Senior High, and also President Special Needs Center, as well as the representatives of President University Foundation, becomes one of the efforts of President University Foundation in implanting the value of tolerance for young generation.
Mulai sekarang, mulai dari saat kita kecil, mulai anak-anak TK, SD, sampai SMP, SMA, kita belajar di tempat ini untuk menghargai kepercayaan orang lain, untuk memiliki rasa toleransi tinggi, sehingga kedepannya kita bisa mempersatukan tidak hanya komunitas kita, tidak hanya tempat di mana kita tinggal, tapi mempersatukan bangsa dan negara kita.
All of the students are invited to learn about diversity by participating in this event. Through dances, songs, to lion dance attraction, they are united in diversity. Through this celebration, President's School desires to externalize parents' hopes in building the character of each student to appreciate each other and comprehend diversity as Indonesia's wealth and beauty, an event that has not only become the symbol of celebration, but also as the effort to build young generation's character in this multicultural nation.